Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation on automating your way to success. Today, we will explore the power of motivational stories and how they can propel us to achieve our dreams and goals. We all have a story to tell, whether it's about our triumphs, failures, or experiences. These stories serve as a reflection of our lives and the lessons we've learned along the way. But what if I told you that these stories can also be your guide to success? The power of motivational stories lies in their ability to inspire and ignite the spark within us. They remind us that we are capable of achieving greatness, just as these characters did. By relating to these stories, we can learn their habits, values, and mindset and apply them to our own lives. Take, for example, the story of J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Rowling faced numerous rejections before her work was finally recognized. And yet, she persevered and went on to become one of the most successful authors of our time. Her story teaches us the importance of not giving up, even when the odds seem stacked against us. Or consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who began her career as a radio host before stardom struck with her talk show. Winfrey's journey shows us that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. She also teaches us the value of believing in ourselves and our abilities. These stories are not just motivational exercises. They are practical examples of what it means to automate our way to success. By embracing the values and habits of these characters, we can ourselves become champions of our own journeys. So, let us all take a moment to close our eyes and picture ourselves as the heroes of our own stories. Let the words of these motivational voices resonate within us, and let us use them as a guide to achieving our dreams and aspirations. Remember, the power to automate your way to success lies within you. Now, go out there and make your dreams a reality.